Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon 2020. This is the 2021 range from French luxury manufacturer Notin, and which has been in business since 1921. So you can see up there, 100 ans Notin depuis 1921. 100 years of Notin from 1921. This vehicle here is quite exquisite. Calgary JF Modelle XL Evolution on the Mercedes 519, 799 meters long, 230 wide, 295 in height. If you put it on a 4,520 kilo basis, or you can put it on a 5.5 ton basis, four people. And do we have the empty weight? We don't, but it doesn't matter if it's on a. It's not going to be much over 3.5 tons anyway. So you got a stack there of storage. 201,075. No, sorry, 750 euros. So not cheap. let's have a look inside. Double floor. Outstanding, I think, color and lighting. Of course, this is a matter of choice. You may not like it. You might think, oh, that's naff, that color. I think it looks good. I think it looks really good. Anyway, let's go to the back. Okay, it's got a German layout here, and because they've actually made the bed, and it looks smart. Got a little bit of decoration inside, which is really makes it look quite good, actually, in my opinion. So you can see down there we've got some storage under the bed, and we'll have a look down here as well at what the situation is here. Sorry, I can't lift them. There we go. Storage down there as well. So we'll now go and see it from down here. Drawers. It's not where you've normally got sort of a wardrobe down here. Here you've got these drawers, and that one's stuck. One down here as well. Also at the back you've got this. That's as though that has been prepared for a safe sort of thing. Looks a bit that way anyway. And that's been prepared for the television. Right at the top here, right, you got your switches, USB, so you charge your telephone at night, put the telephone in there, something like that, and bit of storage. Another thing I'd have to point out is that whereas I have come up one step, I can stand up here quite okay. Still got a bit of space above my head. Let's close off this door. No, it's even got a shelf. I think no, somebody's put this the wrong way around. Oh no, that's how hang your towels on. Aldi heating in the van. Shall I come into this toilet? Okay. It's the white, the colour, and the light, the mirrors, makes it seem so much bigger. Sorry. Oh, somebody's in here. No, nobody's not in here. Somebody must have gone past outside. Very modern kitchen. Only 2 burners. I think 2's enough. But if you want 3, then you have to get a different van. That's simple. Oh, very heavy. Deep sink. Sorry, got a bit of a cough. I only cough when I film. It's probably an allergic reaction to filming. Now you've got a bed here as well. 200 kilo max, it says. Not to be used by children under 6. Don't like cushions. I've got a thing against cushions, so I'm going to sit down here. Look at this van. I know. Up there, I like the glass. I like the way it looks. I mean, you might think it looks cheap actually, but I think it looks very good. And they've also got a champagne store down there. Right, well, you might want to give some opinions on that. I might keep my wine down there if I had anything. Or maybe I wouldn't. I've got a rather large collection of wines in my van. And if I have to go through a border, which actually in Schengen it doesn't make any difference, so travel around. If I had to go through a border and declare it, it might be a bit of a problem. Anyway, I'll have to think about taking some of them out. In fact, I do it periodically. I've got a very large wine collection. Because as I don't drink in when I'm by myself. Okay, and here's the bed. Shall we have a look at the bed in action? I don't suppose they'd mind. Let's turn the thing on. And let's turn the thing around. Oh, I've just turned it off. Sorry, I'll turn it back on again. I'll turn it on now. Now, the bed, I'm going to have to be careful on the chair. Stop. Okay, right. That gives you an idea how the bed comes down. What you'd normally have to do, of course, is to put the chairs down like this. But there you get an idea of what the bed can do, or can be. Stop the chin. Anyway, so I'll turn it back, press this. You know the keys, they're all the same for the beds. There's a bit of useful information. If you get nothing else out of this film other than that, that could be very useful to you. Another thing you don't do is to play with this, moving it up and down, because the motors get hot, and that's a good way of breaking the motor. So what do you think of this? Like it or not like it? I like it. Well, it's got a couple of features. Could be better, I suppose. So here's this coffee thing, which I'm not too certain of that opens. I thought it descended down, but it clearly doesn't. Anyway, I don't like these coffee things anyway. I'll walk on the outside. I've been touching things. I'll disinfect my hand. I've been touching with my left hand. See from the storage from the outside. Gas cabinet. Look at all this. This garage is magnificent. 3 doors, which I think is pretty good. I saw this very good piece of kit today, which saw the roll in, roll out. It was pretty expensive. It was over 3,000 euros, but it could take 250 kilos, and you get your bikes and electric bikes there, ramps for electric bikes. It was good, right? So, hello. So I hope you found that video of interest. No, and there you go. It's a very nice vehicle, but I do appreciate it's not the same taste for everyone. All the best from Düsseldorf.